Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your trusted source for the latest and most exciting reviews in the world of trucks, RVs, and motorhomes. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most luxurious and powerful RVs of the future, the 2025 Volvo Super C Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving mansion built with the strength of a semi and the heart of a five-star hotel. Let's start with performance. The 2025 Volvo Super C is powered by a beastly Volvo D13 turbo diesel engine that puts out up to 500 horsepower. That's more than enough to conquer steep mountain roads, long highways, and any terrain in between, all while towing additional cargo or even a full-size SUV with its air-ride suspension and heavy-duty Volvo chassis. This motorhome doesn't just drive, it glides. Now step inside and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The 2025 Super C features an expansive living space with slide-outs that create an open concept layout. Premium leather seating, hardwood cabinets, and polished solid surface countertops make it feel like a high-end condo on wheels. The attention to detail is next level. Even the ceiling features ambient LED lighting for a modern, elegant look. The kitchen is a real showstopper. You get a full residential fridge, convection, microwave, induction cooktop, and a deep farmhouse style sink. There's a huge pantry and plenty of cabinets for storage, perfect for long trips or full-time living. It's like bringing your dream kitchen on every adventure in the living room. There's plush theater-style seating, a 50-inch smart TV, Bluetooth surround sound, and even a fireplace in some models. Everything's designed for maximum comfort. Whether you're parked in the forest or by the beach, heading to the rear, the master bedroom is a peaceful retreat. It comes with a king-size bed, premium mattress, nightstands with USB charging, and generous wardrobe space. You'll also find a smart TV and beautiful reading lights for cozy nights in. The attached bathroom is equally impressive, with a full residential shower, porcelain toilet, and a skylight for natural light and ventilation, and the tech. Absolutely top tier. There's a central touchscreen control panel that manages everything from lighting to climate to slides and water systems. Plus, it's compatible with mobile apps, so you can control your motorhome from your phone. With solar panels and lithium battery systems on board, you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. On the exterior, the 2025 Volvo Super C boasts stunning full-body paint, LED lighting, and massive basement storage compartments. There's also an exterior entertainment center with a TV and speakers. Plus, an outdoor kitchen setup for grilling and chilling in the open air. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, the 2025 Volvo Super C Motorhome is a game-changer. It combines unmatched power, high-end luxury, and smart technology in a way that few RVs can compete with. Would you take this home on wheels across the country? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful reviews and in-depth features right here on Honest Auto Wheels.